Hello guys, I am Revit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to leave a group on Discord. So first you leave like and subscribe, and first you must log in on your Discord, and next step is enter on the group, and next step is click right button, and now as you can see we have leave server, and also is second option. You may click here on up and also leave server, and that's all. So thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. You write a comment, share to others, leave subscribe and like, and see you in other videos. Bye.